Hey there, how's it going, YouTube friends and family? Plant Abundance here. You know, if there's one thing that you can truly rely on with this channel, it's that I will always share with you my real experiences, whether they're good or bad in the garden, the things that work for me, what doesn't work. I'm always going to bring that to you because that's what this channel is really all about, is sharing my journey, my experience, and hopefully helping others in that process. And today's no different. I've got a tip for you that's going to help you to grow huge, healthy plants packed with nutrition that you're going to then intake, and it's really, really easy and inexpensive. So we're going to be applying a liquid foliar spray to the leaves of our plants today. And to do this, you only need 3 items: a pump sprayer, some liquid kelp, and then a measuring glass or a shot glass works just fine. And you're going to want to apply this in the morning or the evening. You want to avoid doing this in the afternoon. You want to do it when the leaves stoma are open and they're receptive to receiving these nutrients. And this is one of the easiest things that you can do. So the ratio of kelp liquid extract to water is 1 ounce per gallon. This is a 2-gallon pump sprayer, and your typical shot glass is 2 ounces, so this works out. We're just going to pour that in there. And if you want, you can double the potency of this recipe and put 2 ounces per gallon. We're just going to add our water. Tap water is fine. If you've got some good quality rainwater or some well water, that'd be even better. You can see how dark that liquid is just off that small amount of liquid kelp. And it's important when doing this that you leave some head space in the bottle. That way when you're pumping it up, there's a place for that air to pressurize the liquid. So I'm a fan of this GS Plant Foods brand, made in the USA. I've been using this for years now. And the reason the liquid kelp is so beneficial to your plants is because it has an NPK value. It also has trace amounts of sulfur, magnesium, calcium, sodium, boron, iron, manganese, copper, zinc, and carbohydrates. It's got a complete spectrum of minerals that are not only going to help to feed the plant and get the plant really healthy, but then in turn, when you eat that plant, the nutrition is going to be transferred to you. And now we can start our spray. We're going to work this stuff all into the plant. Get it all over the leaves. And remember, it's the leaves that we're targeting here. That's the part of the plant that's receptive to receiving the nutrients. And if you are spraying it on edible crops like green leafy vegetables, I'd suggest giving it about a week or so before you start eating them. That's just going to help to ensure that you're giving the plant an adequate amount of time to absorb and utilize this nutrition. And if you do eat the leaves anytime prior to that, it's a good idea if you rinse them off. So I got about a full minute of pressurized spray just from those few hand pumps. I'm going to give it a few more pumps now. And it's been said that by applying the liquid kelp through this foliar spray technique, you're allowing the plant something like 20 times the absorption compared to if you were to do like a root drench just by adding some to a watering container and watering the plant. And there are other organic concentrated liquid fertilizers that you can dilute down with water and spray out through these pump sprayers as well. One of my favorites is the fish emulsion. One warning about that is that it's quite stinky, so if you add that to your container, you're probably never going to get that smell out. So you might want to dedicate a pump sprayer just for that if you go that route. This can also be very beneficial to apply to your fruit trees once they start leafing out. This peach tree here is now post-bloom, and it's got plenty of leaves, so this is a good time to give it a feeding. And by doing so, you're helping the tree in its resilience to different types of possible fungal diseases like that of the peach leaf curl. So adding this technique to your overall protocol of fruit tree care can be really beneficial. I'd say one of the greatest benefits to doing this type of fertilization is the cost savings. It's amazing just how much area you can cover even with just a gallon of this mix. So if you made it this far through the video, I truly do appreciate it. And as a token of my gratitude, I'm going to be doing a surprise giveaway. So I'm going to be offering up 4 seed packs of this Dino Tree Kale variety. This may be the last giveaway of the year. There's very limited amount of seeds left, but many people have shown interest, and I want to give that opportunity to you folks again. It's definitely not too late. Here towards the latter part of February is actually a great time to get seeds going and grow it out throughout the spring and summer months. And then by the fall, when the weather starts to cool, you get a real eruption of new growth, sweet leaves. As you can see right now, this plant is beginning to flower. There's a lot of florets all over the plant, and I'll be collecting some seeds from this plant, and we'll see how that goes, offering those up in the future. But once you've successfully grown out the tree kale from seed, if you've got a variety that you truly enjoy, you're going to want to take cuttings off the lateral branches and propagate that so you get an exact clone. These are hybridized plants, naturally hybridized in nature. I don't take any credit for it. I just put an array of different plants, and I did help to proliferate these plants and took part in helping create these, as I am part of nature. But really, this is just a gift of abundance that the planet gave me, and I now want to share with you guys. So thank you all so much for tuning into the channel, subscribing, sharing my videos. It means a lot to me. So to enter this giveaway, all you need to do is comment below this video, and in your comment, if you would, share with us a gardening technique, a secret, a strategy that you employ that really gives you good results. I'd sure appreciate it. I'm sure the rest of the gardening community here would appreciate it as well. And it could be a one-liner, something like, I like to use worm castings, or you can make it a paragraph. It's really up to you. And then come Saturday, there'll be an announcement of winners, and I'll get those seeds out to you ASAP. So thank you all for participating, and good luck. But wait 1 second. I've got a bonus or a challenge for you guys, and that is if we can get 1,000 likes on this video, then I'm going to double the giveaway from 4 seed packs to 8 seed packs, each containing 10 seeds. So hey, that's the best I can do. The challenge is in your hands now, but that really is going to increase the odds. So go ahead, if you watch this video, be sure to give it a like. And if you're not interested in getting the seeds, you're hoping other folks to get a better chance. So thanks again. All right, guys, well, that's going to do it for now. Me and my gardening buddies got plenty of work to get done today on this beautiful overcast day. Over here, I've got some cold hardy kiwis getting ready to get into the ground. And I've got some new varieties of fruit trees that I'm going to be plugging in as well. And so with that, I wish you all a great rest of your day. I hope this gardening tip helps you to grow an even more amazing garden than what you already have. So until next time, this is Dan from plantabundance.com. Take care. I'll be talking to you again soon.